Hey everyone, your girl's back with another video. This is bacon wrapped maple glazed carrots. Now I've got fresh cracked black pepper, that's maple syrup. This is thin smoked bacon. It's got to be thin, and you know, another way of calling it is streaky bacon. And you need carrots, and you need them with the tips on there. I'm going to cut all those off. I'm going to wash these. And a disclaimer, I like my carrots cooked. I don't like them crunchy. So technically for this recipe, they need to be about an inch thick. That way when the bacon's cooked, they won't be real soft, but I like my carrots soft. My favorite way is in a roast. So I got lucky when I ordered these online and went to the grocery store and they put them in the trunk. That mine are small. And as a disclaimer, had they been big, if you don't like them, if you can't find them small like I have them and you like them soft, you can cook them in carrot juice or what do you call it, chicken broth, and you can like blanch them in that for a couple minutes, then shock them and then wrap them in the bacon. But anyway, I'm gonna get everything set up. This is a quick video. These take a little bit in the oven. I'm kind of torn between, I'm using parchment paper. I would rather use a wire rack, but most of the recipes they use parchment paper, so we're gonna try that. Put you guys on pause and get the carrots washed and cleaned and cut. Be right back. Okay everyone, I'm back. I did not peel my carrots. Technically you can, but I'm trying to be healthier these days, so I left the skin on. I just scrubbed them really good and I used soap and water and baking soda. I cut the leaves off, but technically you should leave a little bit of the tip on for decoration. So I'm going to start from here and wrap these. And like I said, my carrots are definitely smaller, thinner I should say, than what any recipe would call for. But that's on purpose because I like my carrots cooked, well done, pretty much, as you guys would say, mushy. And nobody likes a mushy carrot except for Jen. So there's one. And I guess you normally make about 12 of these. So I just got 2 bushels when I ordered them online from the grocery store. And then I just went out there and picked them up. So like I said, I got lucky that they weren't really thick, because a couple days later I ended up having to go back to the grocery store and I was inside and I looked and all of them were really, really thick carrots, which I was like, oh no. So you see the gist of that, me wrapping these. I'll do one more, then I'll put you guys on pause and get these all wrapped. And you're supposed to cook them for about 40-45 minutes, and you baste them in the maple syrup after about 20-25 minutes. And you can make them spicy, but you know I can't because I want my husband to eat some of these and he doesn't do spicy food. If you like spicy stuff, add a tablespoon of sriracha sauce to the maple syrup, and that will give them a little kick. So I'm gonna put you on pause, and you guys know I got a great joke. I'm gonna get these all done and then I'll be right back. Okay everyone, yeah, look, kind of bit me in the tail. See, these are a little bit too little to wrap in bacon. I could, because it wouldn't hurt my feelings for the bacon to be, for these to be well done and the bacon to be cooked. But I'm just gonna stop with those amounts because just for my husband and myself. And then for these, you supposed to put fresh cracked black pepper on them. So that's what I'm going to do on each one. Some recipes said salt, but I'm not doing any salt. I figure bacon is salty enough, and I'm trying to show you guys a few little healthier things, or make the things I eat a little bit healthier. Okay, so they're all set. I'm gonna put these in the oven, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Come back, show you guys how they look, and then we baste them, and then supposedly turn them. Let me put you on pause. Okay, I'm gonna take them out. It's been 20 minutes. That's what they look like after 20 minutes. So now I'm supposed to baste these in some maple syrup and get the good stuff, supposedly, you guys. It makes a difference. glazed them all. Okay, now I'm going to take a pair of tongs and turn them over to cook for another 20 to 25 minutes. Shoot, it's probably easier just to turn them like this. Yeah. I was a little worried using parchment paper, even though I've recently fallen in love with it, because I thought maybe they would cook better on a wire rack. But we shall see. So turning them over, and I think I'm going to hit them again with some more fresh cracked black pepper, since this side technically didn't get any. And you know your girl all about the flavor. Okay, so I'm gonna put these back in the oven and set the timer again for another 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then check them and see, because the bacon has to be done. You know, for me, it's not about the carrots, it's about the bacon. So check back with you guys in about 20, 25 minutes. I'll put you back on pause. And remember, I got a great joke. Okay guys, it's been another 20 minutes. So I'm gonna take them out. And that's how they look after 40 minutes. So I'm gonna baste them on this side. I already did, right? Yeah, I basted them on this side. I'm gonna turn them over. And no, I did not. I'm gonna baste them on this side. Getting confused here. My house smells so good. This is unbelievable. This would really be good, like I said, if you were gonna have people over, or you just wanted to have a pretty holiday display for dinner on any special occasion. And this is Sunday night. My husband has no idea I am fixing these. These are like a little snack for us, not really for dinner. So I'm gonna turn them again, because the bacon is not cooked to my desired likeness. And put them back in the oven for another 15 minutes, and then I'll check them and see. Because I guess to roast vegetables, they need to be up high, and they need to cook a good 40 to 45 minutes. So I'm gonna put you guys back on pause, put this back in the oven, and then come back, we'll take another look. Stay with me, got a great joke. Okay guys, took a full 45 minutes. There they are out of the oven. They look absolutely amazing. And as I stated, if you don't like your carrots mushy or super soft, go as big as you can, and just go the 40 or 45 minutes. So I'm gonna get this set up and tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, there you have it. Maple glazed, bacon wrapped carrots. Don't they look great? They are really, really good. Sticky as all get out. Let me tell you my joke. An atheist was sitting next to a little girl on a plane, and he turned to her and said, "Do you want to talk? Flights go quicker when striking up a conversation with your fellow passengers." The little girl, who was reading her book, set her book down and replied to the stranger, "What do you want to talk about?" He said, "Oh, I don't know," said the atheist. "How about why there is no God or heaven or hell, or is no life after death?" as he said smudgingly, smiling smudgingly. "Oh," she said, "that would be interesting. Those would be interesting topics. But first, let me ask you a question. A horse, a cow, a deer all eat the same stuff, grass. Yet a deer excretes pellets, while a cow turns out flat patties, and a horse produces clumps. Why do you suppose that is?" The atheist, visibly surprised by the little girl's intelligence, thinks about it and says, I have no idea. To which the little girl replies, "Do you really feel qualified to discuss God, heaven, and hell, or life after death when you don't know shit?" And then she went back to reading her book. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like, please like, subscribe, and share. Give these a try. Like I said, they look really pretty on a holiday table, or just for Sunday dinner, or if you just want to do something special for your loved one or your partner or whomever. God bless. Thanks for watching, and come back for the next one.